Let us learn how to create text effects like this using Canva. Though it looks difficult, but it's very easy. For this, you will, however, require some specific type of shapes that you can convert. So for that, we will take let's say a presentation slide, and we look for some fruits. Okay, in fruits we look for, let's say, something that is, let's say we use this mango. Okay, something like, use this one and see what we can do here. That's the fruit. Now to add the text effect, we'll need an app called Typecraft. We select on Typecraft, we write the name of the fruit, that's mango. We change the font name to say Anton, and now we change the color to white. Now we have the text here. We make the text similar to the fruit shape. Let's apply it for now, and it's pretty big. Make it a bit shorter. Now I will need it to be a bit here, a bit longer here, and a bit here as well. Let's update the element. Update the element. Leave it here. And now what we do is we duplicate this and we delete the fruit from the image. We now only have the text. I go back to elements, add a background color, make it black, and push it back. Okay, so that's our mango. That does not look a lot like mango text, but it's okay. We download it as a JPG, only download the page 2, and done. We come back here, we drag and drop the downloaded image here. So first we remove the text that we had, and we bring it closer so that we can exactly match the shape and the size. Okay, and then I go to edit image and remove the background. Something is wrong here. Okay, let's keep it at this for now, but it won't work really well. No, not this one. Okay, so what you need to actually do here is, let me go take you through this, and then we'll go back. I come back to edit, I go to duotone, I select cherry, make it white, make the shadows white, and you see you are getting the kind of shape that you wanted. Not precisely what you wanted yet, but yeah, that is the idea. So you have this. Okay, what you can actually do over here is, let's say copy this and I paste it here. This. Okay, so the one that we had seen initially, this was also done in a very similar way. So we went ahead, we did the background transparent, we applied duotone, we made the highlights and the shadows white, and we had this mango. Let's quickly try this for something else. Say we want a banana. Graphics. So a single banana would be the best. Single banana. Let's say we keep this one, make it a bit shorter. Okay, we have it here now. I go back to apps, look for Typecraft. Here we have it. I change the name to banana, make the font Anton, and change the color to white. Now I need to make the shape look a bit like banana. Let's apply this and then see first. Okay, we make the banana image a bit bigger. Yeah, so here we have it. So let's say we make this a bit, update the element. It's close to what we want. A bit here on the top and a bit here. Update the element. Yeah, kind of does the job. Okay, next is we copy this, duplicate it, remove the other fruit image, come back to elements, to all, delete it, and we change this here, make it black, send the layer behind. Okay, okay, download the image, come back to the first one. Okay, we delete this, we bring it over here on the top, and we make it shorter so that it comes close to what we want. Okay, yes, should work. Might not work precisely because of certain things. Let's see. Make the transparent background. And then come to duotone, choose cherry, make it white. So that's something that we have here. Okay, you can place it however you want, but if you see, if it had to be right from here, no, that's fine. This is okay. Make it a bit bigger. No, making it big does not help us. Okay, not very happy with what we got. Does this look any better? So that's close to once again what we wanted. Not very accurate, but yeah, that's the different set of things that we can do here using this effect. You can give it more refining touches like this. Looks a lot better this time. Yeah, kind of looks okay. If you go to edit image and select magic eraser, does this erases anything? Let's find out, just to give it a more accurate look. Erase. Yes, it does that. Awesome. Yes, this works better. So I'll go back to edit image. I will choose magic eraser. I'll do a click. Erase. Will this work? Let's try. But all honestly now, kind of, yeah, looks better than what we had before. Okay, so this was how you do or implement this kind of text effect. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do not forget to hit on the like and subscribe button.